Welcome to BSoft Solutions. In this video, we're introducing our customized report stock item-wise party columnar reports in Tally. Let's start by configuring the Tally add-on. First, copy the path of your TCP file and then configure it inside Tally Prime by loading the add-on. Once the add-on is loaded successfully, you can begin using the report. Now go to Display More Reports and open Stock Item-wise Party Columnar Reports. This powerful columnar report gives you complete party and stock analysis in one screen, provides full control over stock movement and party performance, and eliminates the need to check multiple reports. This advanced report allows users to select any voucher type, change the view from party-wise to party group-wise, pin code-wise, or state-wise, and analyze stock items group-wise or category-wise, all within one powerful report. Let's look at the different options available in the report. Configure button. Using the Configure button, you can customize the report by showing or hiding the details such as items quantity, rate, amount, ledger groups, stock groups, category. Also here, you can choose whether to include credit notes and debit notes to show the actual sales and purchase values. You can also choose the sorting method for the report. Change Voucher button. This allows you to select and view report for a specific voucher type, like sales or purchase or credit note and others. Stocks Change View button. Using Stock Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by stock item-wise, stock group-wise, and stock category-wise. Parties Change View button. Using Party Change View button, you can switch between viewing the reports by party account-wise, party group-wise, parent group-wise, pin code and state-wise. Stock Item Filter button. This helps you filter and view only selected stock items in the report. Stock Group Filter button. Use this button to filter the report based on a particular stock group. Stock Category Filter button. This allows you to filter the report according to selected stock categories. Party Name-wise button. With this button, you can filter and view data for a specific party account ledger. Party Group-wise button. Using the Group Name button, you can filter parties based on their accounting groups. State Name button. With this button, You can filter and view report for a specific party state-wise. Stock-related reports button. This button provides quick access to important stock-related reports such as Stock Master, Stock Monthly Summary, Stock Query, Stock Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Purchase and Sales Bill Spending, Purchase and Sales Order Spending. Ledger-related reports button. This button helps to quickly open all ledger-related reports such as Ledger Contact, Ledger Master, Ledger Monthly Summary, Ledger Outstanding, Ledger Vouchers, Movement Analysis, Overdue Payables and Receivables, Purchase and Sales Bills Outstanding, Purchase and Sales Order Outstanding. Thank you for watching. If you're looking for Tally customization, please connect with BSoft Solutions. See you in the next video.